Hi, hello. This is Saravana from for Analytics, and today we're going to see about how to do custom formatting in Power BI. Stay tuned. Okay, I have a PBIX file that has three tables: orders, paper, and return. And so I have a simple table which consists of country and sales. And when you look at the sales, it doesn't have any formatting. It doesn't have a number. Is it a dollar, euro, or any other thing, currency? So let's see how to do the custom formatting in Power BI. So first of all, we need to go to data model pane, and in data model, we need to select the sales column. If we select this, we will get three top downs, and we need to go for formatting, and we need to select the custom formatting here. And this is one of our useful feature that most of firm not aware of it because it is hidden in the data model pane. So you see here the example that will be written. We need to do some stuff in this text box. Okay, so I want to have a dollar in front of it. So I want to pay the dollar, and I'm selected. So this is the real-time stuff you see in the report if you use this column sales. And following by dollar, I need the sales for BS. So I'm gonna put hash dot hash hash. If I enter it, I will have these stuffs here. And you can do, you know, any other custom formatting we do when SSRS. We can also address the negative formatting of the sales, and also we can do anything we want using the custom formatting. And when we go back to the report, and we will see the dollar sign that has been risen because of the custom formatting used in the data model for the sales column. And you can explore any other stuffs using this feature, and it will be very much useful for your organization and for your project as well. And thank you so much, and see you next video. See you.